Sanjay.
Ma'am, he planned to hire the author, ma'am.
See, listen. The author had a pet animal. Who was he? It is dog. What's the name of the dog?
Johnny.
What is the name of his pet dog?
Ma'am, Johnny, ma'am.
Johnny. Okay, so he felt very lonely without the pet animal, but he was not ready to keep a dog again as a pet animal. So, what idea came to his mind? He thought that he can keep one otter as a pet animal. So, he decided to keep an otter as a pet animal. Where was his house? Kavin house. Where was his house?
Ma'am, cottage in Campus.
So listen. So first he mentioned his desire to one of his friends, and the friend told him that it will be as usual, or it will be plenty in Arabs. Sorry, with the Arabs, which area it will be plenty in the Tigris marshes. It will be plenty, and it is very common as mosquitoes. Who said this one? His friend said to him. When collecting the mail, General found that his friend's mail came, but his mail not came. Clearly studied yesterday. Am I right?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Yes, I know. Now it is clear only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See next paragraph, page number 104. I cabled it to England, and when 3 days later nothing had happened, I tried to telephone. The call had to be booked 24 hours in advance. On the first day, the lines was out of order. On the second, the exchange was closed for religious holiday. On the third day, there was another breakdown. My friend left, and I arranged to meet him in weeks' time. 5 days later, my mail arrived. So what happened? But actually his friend's mail had came, but his mail didn't arrive. So for that, what solution he did? He cabled it to England. What do you mean by cabled?
Ma'am, sent a message by telegraph.
Through the telegraph. That is what is known as cabled. I cabled it to England, and when 3 days later happened, 3 days later nothing had happened. I tried to telephone. First I sent message, no reply. Then I tried to call them through the telephone. For that, what we have to nowadays, we can at any moment we anywhere. But that time they have, it was not a common thing, so they have to book it for call in advance. They have the first day, the line was out of order. On the second day, the exchange was closed. What do you mean by exchange? Telephone exchange. First day, what happened first day? The telephone line was out of order. The second day, the exchange was closed for religious holiday. On the third day there was another breakdown. Third day, what happened? There was another one problem. My friend left, and I arranged to meet him in the week's time. So what happened? In between, This many days late was there, this many days problem was there. So my friend's message came, so he went before without waiting for me. 5 days later, my mail arrived. After how many days his mail arrived?
After 5 days.
After 5 days. I carried it to my bedroom to read, and there, squatting on the floor, were two Arabs. Beside them lay a sack of scrimped from time to time. They handed me a note from my friend. Here is your order. So he collected his mail. Mail means letters, official letters and personal letters. He collected and he went to his bedroom for read. So that time he saw that his living room, two Arab people, they are squatting. What do you mean by squatting? Yes. What do you mean by squatting? Squatting na enna? Kneel down. எப்படி நிக்குது? Half sitting by kneeling down, putting our knees on the floor. Okay, that is what is known as squatting. Squatting were two Arabs. எத்தனை பேர் அங்க இருந்திருந்தேன்?
Two Arabs.
Two Arab people. By the side of them lay a sack that skimmed from time to time. அவருக்கு swimming twist around. It is twisting around time to time. They handed me a note from my friend. They give it to me a note from my friend. What the letter or the note says? Or is your otter? Note means a piece of paper, not a notebook. Okay, it's a piece of paper. It's a message from my friend. It was written there. Here is your otter. இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? உன்னுடைய favorite otter இருக்கு. So who was inside the sack, children? Sack in உள்ளார யார் இருந்திருந்தே?
Otter.
Otter. Who sent it to him, the otter?
Ma'am, the two Arabs.
His friends sent it to him through two Arabs. In first part we can see the situation that made him to keep an otter as a pet animal. First reason, his pet animal Johnny had died. He felt lonely and he decided to keep an otter as a pet animal because his place is famous for marshes and watery areas. With the opening of that sack began a phase of my life that has not yet ended and may, for all I know, not end before I do. It is in effect an utter fixation that I have since found to be shared by the most other people who have ever owned one. So a new phase of life, second phase of my life has started, but it is not till end. Because it's a life with an otter, I felt very happy with an otter fixation, hanging over with an otter. So I felt it is a new experience for the people, those who are reading. So I want to express my experience with you people. What experience is, children? What was his experience you want to share with us?
I'm treating a otter as a pet animal, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Treating an otter as a pet animal. Treating an otter as a pet animal. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Otter picture பார்த்திருக்கா?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay, fine. So listen once again. With the opening of that sack began a phase so my life. It was not he was right time. So it was not a new life started in his life. What was the new life? Life with water. And may for all I know, no before I do. It is in effect a thraldom. What I mean by thraldom, old fashioned under control to otters and otter fixation. I have things found to be shared by most of the people. And so I will be to everyone already you some of you want but somebody they don't whatever maybe I want to share with my feelings of being an otter and otter fixation to everyone. The creature that emerged from the sack onto the spacious tiled floor of the consulate bedroom reserved most of all a very small medievally conceived dragon. Once I opened the sack. Sack என்ன?
Ma'am, sock.
Jute bag.
Very good. Jute bag. Once I opened the jute bag, a small creature come out. It is a miniature form of dragon. அதோட சைஸ் வந்து மாதிரி இருந்தேன் ஒரு சின்ன டிராகன் எப்படி இருக்கும் அதே மாதிரி இருந்தேன் so the creature that emerged from this sack on the spacious tiled floor of the consulate bedroom consulate his official room in that bedroom resembled means look like most of all very small medievally conceived. What do you mean by medievally conceived? That we can imagine imagination of the Middle Ages.
Middle Ages, ma'am. An
Yes,
imaginary
very
thing.
good. Imaginary thing. From the head to the tip of the tail, he was coated with the symmetrical pointed scales of mud armor, between whose tips was visible a soft velvet fur like that of a chocolate brown mole. See, the narrator is telling to us that it looked like a small dragon. What was the figure of dragon? How a dragon looked like? The dragon has the spikes in his body. Am I right? Spikes irukku.
Shiny scales.
Likewise, the otter it didn't have spike. Now it shows us a spike because he was in the mud. Okay, മഡിൽ ഇരുന്നിട്ട് വെളിയിൽ എടുത്ത് വെച്ചപ്പോ വാട്ട് വി വിൽ സേ ഫർ അല്ല ഫർന്ന് എന്നാ
Hair, ma'am. Hair of an animal.
Hey, very good, very good. இந்த ஹேர் எல்லாம் கோட்டடா வந்து என்ன மாதிரி இருக்கு? It's look like a thorns. Okay. You read 2 paragraphs, children. I will come now. Finish reading, children. So how it looks like a dragon? It's because his fur was covered with a mud. His hair full of covered with mud and it become dry. So it looks like a thorns in his body. Understood? Already structure is like that, like a squirrel or dragon. But he compared his body to dragon only because of the coated hair. Got it? Symmetrical pointed scales of mud armor. Between those tips was visible a soft velvet fur like that of a chocolate brown mole. It looked like a chocolate brown mole. He shook himself once he came out of the sack. What he did, he shook himself, and I half expected a cloud of dust, but it was not for another month that I managed to remove the last mud off and see Otter as it were in his true colors. He just shook himself as I have expected a cloud of dust. He just shook his body. A cloud of dust happened there. But actually, I took 1 month to see the real otter in his shape. Why the author says like that, children? What is the reason?
Ma'am, because he feels difficult to remove the mud on the artist for me.
Because actually the Arab people, they are coming from Tigris Marsh. It is a muddy area. The otter is fully covered with mud. It takes nearly 1 month for the author to remove and the last drop of mud and he has to get to the real otter. Got it, children? We can stop up to there. Put it there. Then thank you, children. You can read.
Thank
Hey, don't leave. When class starting time only 95 students are there, then now house 103 came here. Shivaranjini and all, when you join Shivaranjini? When you have joined? Shivaranjini. No answer. Eh? Sri Ridish, read the textbook, pa.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, from first or from where you read, ma'am?
From the beginning up to the today's program.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Prose 8. Mitch Built the Otter. Written by Gavin Maxwell. Early in the new year of 1956, I traveled to southern Iraq. By then, it had crossed my mind that I should like to keep an otter instead of dog, and that Camas firma, ring, ringed by water, a stone's throw from its door, would be an eminently suitable spot for this experiment. When I casually mentioned this to a friend, he as casually replied that I had better get one in the Tigris marshes. For there they
Tigris.
were as yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Tigris or Tigris?
Pronunciation is Tigris.
Yes. Tigris marshes, for there they were as common as mosquitoes and were often tamed by the Arab. We were going to Basra to the consul, consulate general to collect and answer a mail from Europe. At the consulate general, we found that my friend's mail had arrived, but that mine had not. I cabled to England, and when 3 days later nothing had happened, I tried to telephone. The call had to be booked 24 hours in advance. On the first day, the line was out of order. On the second, the exchange was closed for a religious holiday. On the third day, there was another breakdown. My friend left, and I arranged to meet him in a week's time. 5 days later, my mail arrived. I carried it to my bedroom to read, and there, squatting on the floor, were two Arabs. Besides them lay a sack that squeaked from time to time. They handed me a note from my friend. Here's your order. With the opening of that sack began a phase of my life that has not yet ended and may, for all I know, not end before I do. It is, in effect, a random to utter an utter fixation that I have since found to be shared by most other people who have ever owned one. The creature that emerged from the sack on the spacious tiled floor of the consolidate bedroom resembled most of all a very small, medievally conceived dragon. Conceived dragon. From the head to the tip of the tail, he was coated with symmetrical pointed scales of mud armor, between whose tips was visible a soft velvet fur like that of a chocolate brown mole. He shook himself, and I half expected a cloud of dust, but in fact, it was not for another month that I managed to remove the last of the mud and see the other as they were in his true color.
Thank you, Sri Ridesh. Children, thank you, children. You can leave the meeting. Update your classwork, homework, test papers. Okay, thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.